Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or enable lost mode on iPhone. So if you misplaced your iPhone and I want to turn on or enable lost mode on the iPhone so that the third party user will not be able to access it, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on lost mode on iPhone, you need to use another device other than your iPhone. So you can use Android and you can use computer. So go ahead and open a browser on your device and go to iCloud.com. So iCloud.com, once you get to iCloud.com, click on sign in. Now you want to sign into the Apple account on your iPhone. So the iPhone you want to turn on lost mode on, make sure you sign in to this device with the Apple account login username and password. Then hang on your iCloud account page, you want to scroll down. Just scroll down and then locate and find my device. Once you click on find my device, then you should see all devices connected to your iCloud account. Then locate your iPhone and click on it. Now once you click on the name of your iPhone, then you should see under the name of your iPhone lost mode. Just go ahead and tap that. Then tap next. Once you click on the next button, you can come here, type in your phone number so that they'll be able to contact you once the phone is found. Then click on the next button again, then click on activate. Then instantly lost mode will be activated on your iPhone. You see that? So you see lost iPhone. Now for you to be able to turn off lost iPhone is either you call the owner for the passcode, type in the iPhone passcode, or go to your iPhone find my device or iCloud account and then turn off the lost mode. So that is basically how to turn off lost mode on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.